So as you can see here, we got lots of chainsaw options here for the fall cutting. Get all your wood cut down, split up for the winter. If you're heating with a wood fireplace or just looking to clear up some tree, have some stuff for doing bonfires and that, because fall's the best time for bonfires, we can hook you up here. This is our great Husqvarna lineup. We got our battery options here, our top handle options. So if you're doing limbing more, and then into our traditional saws from our homeowner to our professional series.